Hello everyone, I'm back with a new training video. This is today I'm gonna talk about the activity. So before we start, let me just introduce myself. My name is Karan. I'm from Varal Consultancy. So everyone knows what we do. So we completed the first training wherein we spoke about the different types of companies which can be formed, the different types of jurisdictions we have. We also spoke about the free zone offshore companies. We spoke about local companies. So it was we did speak a lot in detail. However, now this training module, okay, we are going to only talk about uh, specific chapter which is called the activity. Now before we start, okay, let me just go through of what is the activity all about. Okay, now any client who wants to open a company in Dubai, okay, he wants to do some or the other things, right? Basically, maybe he wants to like start up a company in Dubai with an activity such as trading. He wants to do trading of goods, or he wants to open a restaurant, or he wants to open a college, or if he wants to you know do a professional activity, anything. Okay, so basically today I'm going to teach you how you're going to identify the activity, from where you will get the activity and everything. Okay, so let's start. So the first, the most important thing of this business is to understand what the client wants to do. If you understand this, it becomes really easier for you to give him a suggestion of what business model suits best for him. So here is what I do. The question what I normally ask my clients is, so can you please help me with the business activity you intend to do in Dubai? So the client will say that, oh, you know what, I am looking to do trading, import and export of fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now if he says that, I want to do trading of fruits and vegetables, you ask him that, will you be selling your product inside Dubai, or it's going to be from one country to another? If he says no, it's just going to be from one country to another, I don't want to sell it inside Dubai, then yes, the option is free zone. However, if he has a free zone company, he can also sell it inside Dubai, but not directly, but through a local distributor. Now in the second scenario, if the client says that, I want to open a shop, I want to do fruits and vegetables trading, and I want to sell directly in Dubai by opening a shop, then in this case, yes, he will have to go for a local company where he can have his shop anywhere in Dubai and he can do this business. Now before we proceed, the most important thing is to, as I mentioned, to understand uh, the the activity. So here is what I do, and I would like you to follow the same. You need to go on Google, okay, and just type DED. Okay, I'll just take the long cut. I just go on Google, I write DED website. Now it's called Dubai Economic Department website. Once I go on this, I see this first option, which is called eservices.dubai.ded.gov.ae. So we'll click on this. This is the Dubai Economic Department website. Okay, now you need to go down and click on inquiries. When you go on inquiries, you'll have 5 to 7 options. One option which says search business activities. Okay, so you click on search business activities, and you'll have a new page which will say activity, and there will be a search option. So let's assume the client wants to do vegetable trading, so it's VEGETABLE. Just type vegetable, okay, and click on search. So now on the next page you will see all kinds of activities. Now you need to select which activity is client looking for. So if you have understood by the client that he wants to do vegetable trading, so there's something called as vegetables and fruits trading. So click on the number, and it will give you a detail, the activity code, the group, type of license, whether it's a commercial license, professional license, what, and the description. It includes reselling of fresh vegetables and fruits, organic, non-organic, prior to any dyeing or canning process. Okay, so I copy this and send this to the client, maybe on a WhatsApp. So let's assume that this is a WhatsApp. I just copy paste and I send it to him and ask the client, is this what you are looking for? We take an affirmation from the client. If the client says yes, perfect, we have found the activity, which means we as Varal have understood what the client wants to do. Okay, now let's take another activity. Customer says, I want to do trading in furniture. Just click on search. You see used furniture trading, home furniture trading, transport furniture manufacturing, office furniture manufacturing, home furniture trading. So this is all different activities. It's very important for you to understand what the client wants, because this activity what you select will be mentioned on his license. So for example, if you give him this activity, furniture rental, but he wants to do trading, it's a wrong activity what you have given it to him. Okay, so let's open office furniture trading. Now if you read the description, include reselling of office desks, chairs, cabinets and other trading equipments class. This will give you the detail. This is how we search the activity. Now this website, this activity is for mainland company, a local company, a Dubai company. Similarly, all the free zones have got their own activity list, which we have already shared in the training material. I will be sending you the link shortly. So you can search the activity on either on the Excel sheets, or you can just go on this DED website, because DED website has got all the activities. The only difference will be the name of the activity on a free zone will be a little different than what it is over here. That's it. Apart from that, everything is same. Now let's take another activity, for example aviation. So okay, I had a client who wanted to do trading of aircraft. Okay, so we search the activity aircraft. We just put in the keywords. Sometimes you put aircraft and nothing will come, but you need to make sure that you put the right keywords. So aircraft, passenger aircraft repair, spare parts trading. Now classification, there's something called as light aircraft trading, aircraft and helicopter trading. So you understood there are difference. Although it looks the same, but there is different. Includes wide range body commercial aircraft designed for scheduled charter. This is one activity, and then this is another activity. Okay, so it also gives you detail of all the activities. This is really important to make sure that you go for the right activity. Now I'll explain you one more thing. For example, a client wanted to open a restaurant. So we open restaurant, so it's the activity. Restaurants and coffee shops, and we have restaurant management. So I click on restaurants and coffee shops. This includes restaurant equipment suitable installation to prepare and serve food, snacks and set as well various beverages. Now if you read something, this business license is subject to Dubai municipality rules and regulation, which means you need an NOC from Dubai municipality, and you also need a NOC from Department of Drainage and Irrigation. So this activity requires approval. This approval, what kind of approval is required and from where the approval is required, this both is been mentioned on the activity list. So this is, you can just inform the client that there will be 2 approvals required and will help you forget the approvals. So yes, now this is how we search the activity for all the clients. So I would suggest you, whenever you talk to the client, okay, to gain his confidence, search for the right activity, send it to him on WhatsApp, and it will create a good impact. Before I finish, let me just show you one more activity. Now for example, a client wanted to do trading in copper. If I put copper, click on search, copper broadcasting, but there's nothing as copper trading, right? Now copper is a metal, so I changed the keyword to metal. You see metal ore trading, metal products coating, wire trading, building material trading, broadcasting. Go on this second page to see if I can find something over there. Manufacturing, metal cans, containers trading, non-ferrous metal trading. Let's see what does it all about. Blocks, partitions, including aluminum, copper. See, I found it. Now let's go on the first page. I also was confused between 2 activities. So now metal ore trading. What does it say? Include reselling of industrial basic ore for extract bauxite, zinc. Now this does not have copper, which means this is the activity which, just send it this on WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, send it to the client, tell him is this what you're looking for. So if he goes for this trading, non-ferrous metal trading, he can not only do in copper, but he can also do aluminium, he can also do zinc, he can also do rod, partitions, blocks, everything. So this is how you search for the activity. So this is the activity code, this is the activity group, and the license type, whether it's commercial, industrial, professional, or consultancy. Now every license comes with only one activity, but there is an exception. You can have up to 10 activities from the same group. So if you see this activity group, metal ends metal products trading and metal ends metal, the activity group is same, which means he can have these 2 activities, which is 514201, 514215. He can have both these activities under one license. But if he selects metal and its products trading and waste collection treatment, not allowed. The group has to be same so that we can have 2 activities under one license. Okay. So again, one more example: structural steel manufacturing, expand metal components, building metal products manufacturing. 281103 and it's 289201. You can try to have these both activities under one license. So yeah, this is how we search the activity. So I would recommend you to use this website. Once you have this is basically for us to understand what the client wants to do. Once we understand what he wants to do, we pass it on to the client to gain his confidence. Once the client is happy to know that we have got the right activity for you, it creates a very positive impact. So yeah, that's all about it. For the other activity list, I'll just go a small brief on how to search activities. So Shams activity. So we have a Sharjah activity list. So basically this list will look like this. Okay, so just click on Control F, find metal, wholesale of metal and metal ores. This is the activity number. So this sheet is for Sharjah Media City. The same way we have sheets for Dafsa, Jabal Ali, DMCC. So we will be having this sheet shared with you on the training material, the link which is already been shared. If you don't have that link, do let me know. I will share it to you once again. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. All the best.